In this video, I'm going to show you how to find the gradient from the graph using the rise-run method. Now, this method is very straightforward if you understand what you are doing. Now, if you look at the line carefully, you can see that it crosses the y-axis at the origin, which is right there. Now, what you need to do is make a triangle with the remaining grid lines and make sure that you don't pass through any halves or anything that's not exactly on the grid. So what I mean by that is the following. I'm going to count 1, 2 along, and if I look up, I can see that this is on an exact point of whole numbers 2 and 2. So I'm going to go up 1, 2. So it's rise over run. So as we can see, the rise is 2 squares up and the run is 2 squares along. So it's 2 divided by 2, which equals 1. So the gradient for this line is 1. Here's another example. This line here, it crosses the axis at 0, 4. So I'm going to take that point there. And if I count along, it's 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's 4 along. And if I go up, it's 1. Okay, so the rise is 1 and the run is 4. So it's 1 over 4. So the gradient of this line is just 1 over 4. Looking at this example, the line crosses the y-axis at negative 1. If we count it along, it's 1 along and it's 2 up. So that's going to be rise over run equals 2 divided by 1, which equals 2. So the gradient equals 2. And if you can see with this line here, it's going the opposite way. So the gradient is going to be negative. Let's take the starting point. It's going to go down and along this time. 1, 2, 3. So it's 3 along and 1. So the rise over the run is 1 over 3. Which means the gradient is going to equal negative 1 over 3. If you look at this line, again, it's negative. Take the point that crosses the y-axis, go down 1, 2, go along until it meets the line. That's another 2. So it's 2 over 2, which is the same as 1. So the gradient equals negative 1.